Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to detect face in a photo by using OpenCV. We are using her cascade classifier, which is a pre-trained model for the object detection. If you wanted to know how Hargate classifier can be used to detect face, you can go to this website. I will give the link of this website in the description below. You can check out from that. First of all, we need to install OpenCV in our system. For that, we need to go to our command prompt and write command pip install opencv/python. It is showing that the OpenCV is already in my system. Now I will close that. For explaining you how OpenCV can be used to detect face, I am taking this photograph as an example. I will detect face in this photograph by using OpenCV. Now I will go to Sublime Text and create a new file and save it as face detect.py. py is a extension for the Python file. First we need to import OpenCV. Now we need to import Hargate classifier. So we need to go to this GitHub repository. I will give the link of this GitHub repository in the description below, and we will choose her cascade classifier front page default.xml. Or you wanted to choose anyone, you can choose that, but I am choosing this. Go to raw and select all and then copy. Go to that folder where you have saved the Python file, create a new document, open the document and paste all that you had copied from the GitHub repository and save that. Now close that. Again go to the GitHub repository and copy the name of the XML file. Now go to that folder and rename that. Paste the name and save it. Now go to Python program and import Hargate classifier. Face is equals to cv2.cascade classifier of XML file in. Now we will importing the image, save in a variable cv2.imread function is used to read an image. pix.jpg, which is the name of the file, image file. Yes, it is. Now we'll copy, go to that, go to properties. I will copy that, close that. I'm giving the location. Now for applying the Hargate classifier, we need to convert the image into a grayscale. So I'm using gray is equals to cv2.cvt color cvt color img comma cv2 dot color DGR to gray to gray. Now I'm applying RK classifier to that image, so I'm using face, I'm using cascade is equals to face dot detect multi face gray. I'm giving name value 1.1 comma 4 for cascade for x comma y comma w and height with the coordinates in cascade. I'm drawing a rectangle around the image, around the face of the image. Rectangle img image, starting coordinates will be x and y, comma y, and ending coordinates will be x plus h. Color will be 255/0/0/4, and thickness will be 4, and show that image by using cb2.imshow. Name of the output file will be output comma image. I'm using wait key to pause the screen for some time. We'll save that and go to command pro to run that program. Now I will set the environment cd desktop / face detection python is equals to face detect .py. Oh, it is showing some error that cv2.classifier object has no attribute detect multiface. Sorry, multiface not. Oh, sorry, I face detect multi-scale आएगा, so it has multi scales as scale. We'll rerun that program. Now it is going show. It is showing that the face has been detected. Now I will give the link of this program in the description below. You can check out from that. Thank you for watching.